Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. Just want to apologise for this. As you can hear, I've got a bit of a cold. I did do this video the other day. I wasn't very happy with it, and since then my throat has decided that it doesn't want to be helpful. So I do apologise. I'll try my best to not be as croaky. As you've probably seen from the title and the thumbnail of this video, I've got some news, and no, it's not clickbait. So let's go back about a week, and this van went for an MOT. Now, I knew it was going to fail. I was fully aware of that. I just wanted to know what I needed to fix to get it through the MOT. A bit more than I thought, apparently. So one of the indicator bulbs is the wrong colour. Not a problem. The limiting strap at the back for the rear arms, one of them's frayed a little bit, which I didn't know about. That's fine. I went out and bought a new set of them. The passenger door doesn't open from the inside. It does. You just got to pull it a bit gently and it'll open fine. But the MOT has snapped the door handle off. He literally come up to me with the door handle and went, "Oh, this is fell off." And I went, "It hasn't fell off, mate. It's snapped." So it failed on that. There's a little bit of rust on the front arch, on the wheel arch, inner wheel arch. That's not that bad. What else was it? Both my rear arches are rusty. They've been rusty for a while. It's only on the very outer edge of the rear arches. That's 16 quid for them. That wasn't an issue. Didn't think it was going to be a fail either, but there we go. There's apparently a little bit of rust on the mounting point for my suspension at the rear. Again, he said just grind it back and treat it and it'll be fine. I think it was something else petty, to be honest. The sliding door step failed as well. Because it's so close to the seatbelt anchoring point, he had to fail that, which I get. And I was just going to cut it out, put a piece of steel in there and just strengthen it for now. And then after Christmas, get it completely cut out and done again, was my plan. So I went out, bought myself a Dremel and started cutting away and cutting and cutting. And yeah, I had to throw the towel in. After about 3.5, 4 hours, I couldn't go on. I still wasn't finding any good metal, and the hole went from probably a £2 coin to a lot bigger. The whole step needs to be removed, redone. So that left me in a bit of a predicament. I had probably 4 days left on the MOT before it officially ran out, and I was not sourcing a new step, new rear arches within that time frame. So what do I do? What could I do? Well, I drove it for those few days, and it's now parked up. It's now about a week later and this thing hasn't moved. And it probably won't be moving anytime soon. So I've spoken to Jonathan from the doghouse. He's more than willing to do the work. But I've made an executive decision that until the new year, I'm not doing anything with it. Because what's the point? Christmas is coming up very, very quick, and I'd rather spend the money on my kids' Christmas presents, to be honest. I've now been thinking about what to do with the van. Do I wait till the new year, get this thing done properly, get it all cut out, get it all redone, lovely, start from scratch again, maybe redoing this interior? I mean, I love this interior. I know I've had a few comments from people saying, "You've added a lot of weight to the van," and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I have, but it's a van, it's meant to carry weight. I'm not too fussed on stuff like that. But maybe I'll redo it again, start all the way back to the beginning, redo this interior how I originally wanted to do it, which isn't far off of this. It's just I didn't want to use pallet wood. I wanted to use tongue and groove, but when I did it, it was locked down and I could not get it for love nor money. So yeah, do I get that done? Do I wait till the new year and get that done? Do I sell the van as it sits now, as needs a bit of welding, but here you go, buy it? Do I part it out? I mean, there's some good bits on this van. GTI front seats, those Mercedes wheels. I've got the Gaz extra short shocks. I've got 4-inch and 5-inch Falconers, drop links, engine raise kit, the engine, doors, the front 2 doors and the sliding door are good. I think maybe one of the back doors, I'm not sure. Obviously got a diesel heater, and just completely part this thing out and start completely again. I don't know. I really don't know. If you guys have got any suggestions, please let me know. That would be very helpful. But I am starting to sway a little bit towards maybe parting out and starting again. I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm not going to be going anywhere. I just want to let you guys know that I love this community. This is genuinely the nicest community I've ever been a part of, and the amount of people I've met, I actually class quite a lot of you as friends. Such a nice bunch of people, and I'm pleased to be a part of it. I just probably won't be in this van, or at least I won't be in this van for a while. Whether I get another T4, maybe a T5, maybe it is this van, I don't know. But I'm not going to be leaving the community at all. I am definitely a part of this and staying. It's just, I don't know how long I'm going to be without a van. I have gone out and bought myself another vehicle to get myself to and from work. Me personally, I like my German vehicles, and that came up on Facebook Marketplace, the cheapest thing with MOT that was running and driving. And it's not a bad little car. I'm not gonna say it's a crap car. It's just not quite what I like. It's not my cup of tea personally. I am half tempted to have it on the channel and make it like a fun vehicle. Maybe do like a poll of, do you want me to do this or this to it? Just have a bit of fun with it. It doesn't owe me a lot, and it could just be something to have a bit of fun with. Anyway, I bored you guys enough. My throat is absolutely killing, so I'm going to get myself gone. Like I said, if you're interested in anything to do with the van, buying it, buying parts, whatever, go message me on Instagram and we'll have a little bit of a chat. If you've got any ideas, please drop it in the comment section below. But yeah, that is my update. I no longer drive my van, so yay. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you again soon with some sort of update, I guess. But anyway, stay safe and take it easy.